Hi, this is Soikat Majumdar. In previous lecture of Compton effect, we have discussed the Compton shift, why Compton effect cannot be observed by visible light. We have calculated the Compton shift. What is Compton effect? These things already we have done. Maximum Compton shift, experimental verification of Compton effect. These are already finished. Now, we will find the frequency of scattered photon. We know from the equation of Compton shift, lambda dash minus lambda is equal to h by m0c 1 minus cos theta. So in terms of frequency, it can be easily written c by nu dash, lambda dash means c by nu dash minus c by nu is equal to h by m0c 1 minus cos theta. So multiplying both sides, dividing both sides by c, it becomes 1 by nu dash minus 1 by nu is equal to h by m naught c square 1 minus cos theta. So 1 by nu dash is equal to 1 by nu plus h by m naught c square 2 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 by nu dash is equal to 1 plus h nu by m naught c square into 2 sin square theta by 2 nu. This is 1 by nu dash. So nu dash is equal to nu by 1 plus, this is just reverse, 1 plus 2h nu m naught c square sin square theta by 2. By knowing the frequency of incident radiation, angle of the scattered radiation, we can easily find out the frequency of the scattered photon. Direction of recoil electron. From conservation of momentum, already we have calculated using this principle the Compton shift. Same principle we have to apply here. The x-axis momentum conservation is, this is the momentum of photon. Rest electron has no momentum as it is at rest 0. So h nu by c plus 0 means h nu by c is equal to h nu dash by c cos theta. It is the horizontal component of the scattered photon, and mv cos phi, it is the horizontal component of the recoiled electron. So this equation becomes, after the simplification, that is multiplying by c, mvc cos phi is equal to h nu minus nu dash cos theta. Phi is the angle of the recoiled electron and theta is the angle of the scattered photon. So along y-axis, there is no momentum of the photon as well as the rest electron. Y-axis, scattered photon momentum is h nu dash by c sin theta minus mv sin phi. So mv sin phi is equal to mvc sin phi is equal to h nu dash sin theta. So dividing equation B by equation A, we can write tan phi, mvc will cancel out, sin phi by cos phi means tan phi is equal to h nu dash sin phi, h nu dash sin theta, h nu dash sin theta by h into nu minus nu dash cos theta. So h will cancel out, this is nu dash sin theta by nu minus nu dash cos theta. Now putting the value of nu dash, that is already we have derived from here, nu dash is equal to nu by 1 plus 2h nu by m naught c square sin square theta by 2 into this equation. So we will get this equation tan phi is equal to nu sin theta by 1 plus 2 h nu by m naught c square sin square theta by 2 by nu minus nu cos phi by 1 plus 2 h nu m naught c square sin square theta by 2. So this on simplification, this becomes nu sin theta by nu plus 2 h nu square m naught c square sin square theta by 2 minus nu cos theta. So it becomes 2h square m naught c square sin square theta by 2, taking common nu 1 minus cos theta. Dividing both numerator and denominator by nu, this becomes sin theta by 2h nu by m naught c square sin square theta. Come here, 2h nu by m naught square sin square theta. Here we have taken the common nu, so this nu will cancel out. So this one will 1 minus cos theta. So this is the angle of the scattered photon. Tan phi is equal to sin theta by 2h nu m naught c square sin square theta by 2. Sorry, this is the angle of the recoiled electron. Recoiled electron. So it is equal to tan phi. Phi is the angle of the recoiled electron. Tan phi is equal to sin theta by 2h nu m naught c square sin square theta by 2 plus 1 minus cos theta. Theta is the angle of the scattered photon. So this is equal to, from this one, sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here this is also 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2h nu m naught c square sin square theta by 2 1 minus cos. 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2. So put dividing both sides by sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 means 2 will cancel out. Cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 means sin square theta by 1 sin theta by 2. Sin theta will cancel out. Cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. That means cot theta by 2. This one is 2h nu by m naught c square plus 1. So this is the angle of the recoiled electron. Tan phi is equal to cot theta by 2 divided by h nu by m naught c square plus 1. Kinetic energy of recoiled electron. So kinetic energy of recoiled electron is the difference between the energies of incident photon that is imparted to the electron. Now kinetic energy of the incident photon is h nu and the loss of energy is h nu dash. This lost energy is supplied to the recoiled electron. To the electron which is at rest and getting this energy, it will be recoiled. Simply this is the picture. Energy is incident onto this target material. This photon is scattered, losing its energy. So the amount of energy that is lost, it is given to the rest electron and the rest electron becomes recoiled. Thus the energy through which it is recoiled, this will be the kinetic energy of the recoiled electron. So h nu is the incident photon energy and the radiated photon energy. It is less. As nu dash is less, energy will be less. So this is h nu 1 minus nu dash by nu. So in terms of lambda, h nu 1 minus c by lambda dash by c by lambda. So taking this one, cancelling out c. So h nu 1 minus lambda by lambda dash. So kinetic energy is equal to H nu minus nu dash. So taking common H nu 1 minus nu dash by nu is equal to H nu 1 minus nu dash means C by lambda dash by C by lambda. CC will cancel out. H nu lambda by lambda dash. H nu 1 minus lambda by lambda dash. So this one becomes H nu lambda dash minus lambda by lambda dash. We know the Compton shift lambda dash minus lambda is equal to H by m0c 1 minus cos theta. So putting in the numerator part, kinetic energy becomes H nu into H by m0c 1 minus cos theta by lambda dash. So kinetic energy, it becomes lambda dash means changing the value lambda dash. Lambda dash is equal to lambda plus H by m naught c 1 minus cos theta. It becomes H nu, kinetic is equal to H nu into H by m naught c 1 minus cos theta by lambda plus H by m0c 1 minus cos theta. This is the kinetic energy of the change in kinetic energy of the scattered radiation from the, that is in between the incident photon and the scattered photon. This energy is supplied to the rest electron and it will be recoiled with some kinetic. This kinetic energy is now equal to the kinetic energy of the recoil electron. Now taking common at the denominator part lambda, it becomes 1 plus H by m0c lambda 1 minus cos theta. So we can write H nu, H by, this one is coming to this position, H by m0 c lambda 1 minus cos theta. It is equal to 1 plus H by m0 c lambda 1 minus cos theta. So this becomes H square, lambda means c by nu. So this nu will move the numerator part of this numerator. So this becomes H square nu square m0c into c. This becomes m0 c square 1 minus cos theta. So this is here this H square nu square by m0 c square 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus, again lambda means c by nu. So this one is here in the numerator part of this one m naught c square, this only H nu. So 1 plus H nu by m naught c square 1 minus cos theta. It represents the kinetic energy of the recoil electron. Now different conditions. If theta is equal to 0, then what will happen? Theta 0 means cos theta is equal to cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. So 1 minus 1 will cancel out. So in the numerator part, this one will be 0. Denominator part will be 1. So kinetic energy will be 0. So if theta is equal to 0, kinetic energy 0. That means no electron will recoil. That is no transfer of energy by incident photon. Come to the second point, second case or second condition. If theta is equal to pi by 2, theta pi by 2 means cos theta means cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. This one H square nu square by m naught c square, and here same, this one is 0. Cos pi by 2 means 0. That means H nu by m naught c square 1 plus H nu by m naught c square plus m naught c square. This is theta is pi by 2, h nu square, we have just moved the, this will be the equation. We have moved one slide forward. So k is equal to theta means pi by 2 means this is 0. This one is also 0. So numerator part will be h square nu square by m naught c square by 1 plus h nu by m naught c square. Come here. This is this. Now putting beta is equal to h nu by c square. So you can write this one is equal to, if it is h nu by m naught c square, here h nu remains h nu beta by 1 plus h nu by m naught c square means 1 plus beta. So h nu beta by 1 plus beta. If theta is equal to pi, then what will happen? Pi means cos pi means minus 1, that means this is 2, this one will be 1 minus 1, that means 2. 2h nu h square nu square by m naught c square by 1 plus 2h nu by m naught c square. Come here. So 2h nu square h square nu square by m naught c square by 1 plus 2h nu by m naught c square. As we have taken beta is equal to h nu by m naught c square, so h nu by m naught c square means beta. So 2h nu beta by 1 plus 2 beta. So this one is becomes h nu into 2 beta by 1 plus 2 beta. Now the factor 2 beta by 1 plus 2 beta always less than 1. 2 beta by 1 plus 2 beta always less than 1. Because whatever may be the value of beta, this denominator part is more than this numerator part. So it is always less than 1. So the kinetic energy of the recoil electron is always less than the energy of incident photon having energy h nu. As this one is less than 1, so this kinetic energy of the recoil electron will be less than 1. Less than 1 means less than this h nu. H is the incident energy. H nu into less than some 1 value, that is point fractional value. So recoil electron, its energy will be less than 1. So 1 means in terms of h nu less than h nu, less than the energy of the incident photon. So incident photon cannot transfer its entire energy to the recoil electron. So total already we have discussed. Incident photon cannot transfer its entire energy to the recoil electron because the change in energy, incident photon, it is falling onto the target material, it becomes scattered. And the scattered radiation having lower energy. So the change in energy, this change in energy from higher energy to lower energy, this difference is supplied to the rest electron and electron becomes recoiled. Already I have discussed this one 2 to 3 times. So total energy of the recoil electron is equal to kinetic energy plus rest energy. Kinetic energy is equal to h square nu square by m naught c square 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus h nu by m naught c square 1 minus cos theta. Rest energy of the electron is m naught c square. Pair production. When a photon of sufficient energy passes near the field of the nucleus, it materializes into an electron and positron. This is the photon. It is coming to the nucleus, having inside it a positive charge, proton and neutrons. Then it materializes electron and positron. This phenomenon is known as pair production. In this process, charge, energy and momentum remains constant prior and after the pair production. The rest mass energy of an electron and positron as it is calculated is 0.51 MeV according to is equal to mc square. So for electron it is 0.51 MeV, for positron is 0.51 MeV. So minimum energy required for pair production is 2 into 0.51 MeV, that means 1.02 MeV. So the pair will produce. Now if it is moving with some kinetic energy, additional photon is required. So any additional photon energy becomes the kinetic energy of the electron and positron. The corresponding maximum photon wavelength is 1.2 picometer. Electromagnetic waves with such wavelengths are called gamma rays. Pico means 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So this is in shorter wavelength region. These wavelengths are known as in the range of gamma rays. Pair annihilation. Annihilation means combination. When an electron and positron interact with each other due to their opposite charges, both the particles can annihilate, converting their mass into electromagnetic energy in the form of two gamma rays photons. So these two are annihilating and they will produce two gamma rays photons. Charge, energy and momentum are again conserved. Two gamma rays photons having each energy 0.51 MeV plus and half the kinetic energy of the particles. Half the kinetic energy of particles. Each of these half of the kinetic energy of particles to conserve this momentum. Very important aspect. Pair production cannot occur in empty space. From the conservation of energy, each new amount of energy is supplied, then it becomes 2 mc square. Now mc square means m naught root over 1 minus v square by c square. We are taking 1 by root over 1 minus v square by c square as a term of gamma. This is not gamma ray. This is gamma is a factor. This is a multiplicative factor. Gamma is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus v square by c square. M naught is the rest mass. So h nu by c, this momentum of photon of this momentum is falling onto this nucleus. Then what is happening? The electron and positron is produced. Each of momentum is p, though they are in the direction of the motion. The momentum component will be p cos theta for electron as well as the proton, positron. In this direction, h nu by c is equal to 2p cos theta. So multiplying c with the right hand side, so h nu becomes 2p cos theta. This is the equation. H nu is equal to 2cp cos theta. Now momentum of the photon, electron and positron is momentum of the electron and positron is p. P is equal to m into v. M we are changing it as m naught root over 1 minus v square by c square. So 1 by root over 1 minus v square by c square, we are writing it as gamma. So m naught v gamma. So h nu is equal to 2 c. P means m naught v gamma into cos theta. So h nu is equal to m naught c square. C square, why is c square? We are writing c square here and dividing v by c. So m naught c square gamma v by c cos theta. Now v by c, this is the velocity of the particle and this is velocity of light. So velocity of the particle is less than velocity of light, it is less than 1, and cos theta its range is minus 1 to plus 1. So cos theta is always less than equal to 1. So h nu is always less than 2 m naught c square gamma. That means 2 mc square. 2 gamma m naught gamma means m. So h nu less than 2 m naught c square gamma. But conservation of energy requires that. So h nu should be equal to 2 m naught c square gamma. Hence, it is impossible for pair production to conserve both energy and momentum unless other object is involved in the process to carry out part of the initial photon momentum. Therefore, pair production cannot occur in empty space. That is, to conserve the energy and momentum, h nu becomes less than this. So where the energy has gone? That means there are some other object involved in the process to carry out this difference, the difference of photon momentum and energy. Thus, pair production cannot occur in empty space.